Hover Scorpion Bike. Scorpion is a single-passenger, altitude-limited quadcopter hoverbike which started as a crowdfunding project. The Scorpion has a maximum speed of 69 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, a maximum altitude of 4.6 meters, 15 feet, and has a range of 21 kilometers, 13 miles. The flight time between 15 to 40 minutes depending upon the payload. If you have a very heavy passenger, the flight time could be a maximum of 15 minutes, and if you only had a lightweight camera system on the hoverbike, the flight time could 40 minutes. The hoverbike uses LiDAR and the pilot can set any altitude they want and the hoverbike will hold at that altitude. The PAL-V Liberty is a combination of a three-wheeled car and an autogyro, or gyroplane under development by PAL-V of the Netherlands. Both a driver's license and an autogyro pilot's license are required to operate the vehicle. Design and development. The company settled on a gyroplane design for a number of reasons. The gyroplane principle not only provides us with a safe and easy-to-operate flying car, but it also enables us to make it compact and within existing regulations, which is the most important factor to build a usable flying car, said Mike Stekelenburg, chief engineer at PAL-V. 1. Pilots will require a private pilot license, with a gyroplane rating to fly the PAL-V Liberty. Bellwether EVTOL. An electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is a variety of VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft that uses electric power to hover, take off, and land vertically. This technology came about thanks to major advances in electric propulsion, motors, batteries, fuel cells, electronic controllers, and the emerging need for new aerial vehicles for urban air mobility that can enable greener and quieter flights. Electric and hybrid propulsion systems, EHPS, have also the potential of lowering the operating costs of aircraft. 1 to 2. Opener Blackfly Car. The Opener Blackfly is an American electric-powered VTOL personal air vehicle designed by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang. It was publicly revealed in 2018, after 9 years of development. The aircraft is intended to be supplied complete and ready to fly. 1, 2, and Opener are in the process of starting production at their Palo Alto, California site. The manufacturer claims that the design is the world's first ultralight fixed-wing, all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. 1. Investors in the company include Google co-founder Larry Page. 3, 4. The design is intended for the FAR 103 ultralight vehicles category in the United States and the basic ultralight airplane category in Canada. Klein Vision Aircar. The Klein Vision Aircar is a two-seat flying car designed by Stefan Klein and made in Slovakia. It was type certified as an aircraft in January 2022. Design and development. Slovak designer Professor Stefan Klein began working on flying cars in the late 1980s. Having developed the Aeromobile, he left the company to develop a new idea as the aircar and set up Klein Vision with colleague Anton Zajac. The main fuselage of the aircar doubles as a two-seat road car with 4 large road wheels. Styled like a sports coupe, it contributes 30 to 40% of the total lift when in the air.